afternoon. Good afternoon. Today we have again one problem that is on tension member, design of tension member. But in last problem we have design, but we use their bolted connection. Now here we have design a suitable single angle. Now here we are going to design single angle section and to carry tensile force of 375 kilonewton. Connection we have to use welded connection. So we have already in last we have seen this AGR equal to 2 gamma MO upon Fy. So this we have derived from, if you remember the formula, TDG is equal to AGFy upon gamma MO, and we have little bit modified this formula, and then we are going to um, derive a formula for AGR which will be equal to 2 gamma MO into upon Fy, and substituted all these values which will gives me AGR as 1650 mm square. Then we are going to see from steel table or IS 816, and from this we are going to select a section which is close to 1650 mm square, but it should be greater than 1650 mm square. It should not be less than this. And then we have this ISA 150 75 8 millimeter. Now then we have to go connection. So in last example also we have seen, as soon as we have selected the section, we are with bolted connection. Now here we are with welded connection, so we will go with this connection. So we are going to use 6 millimeter weld size. Now weld strength per millimeter, that is equal to throat thickness into allowable stress. So if we will go to section 10, then you are going to get this throat thickness and allowable stress. So we have 0.7 into S into Fu upon root 3 gamma mw. So 0.7 into S we have throat thickness, and then allowable stress we have Fu upon root 3 gamma mw. So we have this as allowable stress. And then if we will substitute these values, then we are going to get this value that is equal to, we have considered this weld strength 410 upon root 3 into 1.5. So you can have this 400 or 410, and which will gives me weld strength as 795.35 Newton per mm square. So now we have to design the length. Then we are going to provide L1 on this side, L2 on this side. And then if we will see centroid of this angle section, then we have centroid of this angle section that is equal to, this distance is, we have 52.4. You can see this is mentioned over here. Then automatically your this distance becomes 150 minus 52.4. Now why I have shown L1 greater than L2? Because my load is near to this edge, and therefore definitely my weld length should be more on this side, and therefore we have shown L1 greater than L2. So now we are taking here, that is moment about L1, and when we are taking moment about L1, so we have L2 into, this is weld strength per millimeter, so we have Newton per millimeter, and then we have, this will be L2. So this total we will get as weld strength. So this value we have weld strength into distance which is perpendicular, and that is 150, and therefore we have value of L2 that is equal to 164.71 millimeter. So provide weld length 165 millimeter. So L2 we have provided 165 millimeter. Now total length required, that is equal to axial force upon weld length per millimeter, or weld strength per millimeter, and gives us 471.49 Newton millimeters, and L1 we will get 306.49. So provide 310 millimeters. Now you can have another choice in this one. So you can go moment about L2. So if we will go, so I will mention over here, if we will go moment about L2, Then you have L2 into 795.35 into 150. Sorry, this is L1, moment about L2, and that is equal to, we have force 375 into 10 raised to 3, and we have distance into 150 minus, and we have that distance centroid, we have 52.4. So 52.4. Then you try to get the value, you will get this will be very close to 306.49, and therefore we will provide weight length 310 millimeters. Now we know, so remaining part we have same as we have seen in bolted connection. So we have first yielding of cross section, so we have rupture at critical section. So already I mentioned, in case of welded connection we are going to consider only two criteria: yielding of cross section and rupture at critical section. So we have yielding of cross section Ag Fy upon gamma mo greater than 375 kilonewton. So this is same first. And second, we have, this is actually 6.3.3, page number 32. And then if we will go with for angle section, then we have that will be 6.3.3. We will see it on page number 33, I can say. 6.3 we have on 32, but 6.3.3 on page 33. Then we have A and C. Now here we do not have any deduction of diameter of holes, and therefore we have A and C 150 minus 8 by 2 into 8, AGO 75 minus 8 by 2 into 8. And knowing this value, W we have 75. In this welded connection, if we will see figure, that is above your clause number 6.4, then we have two figures where we have bolted connection BS as W plus WT minus T, and in welded BS equal to W. LC, now in LC actually we are going to be with three criterias. So we can go average of the length, or we can go with greater value, and then we are going to put the values, and then we are going to find it. So we have 275, 375, 475. So total we require, that is 475 over here, 471.49. And then actually we have, this will be 310 plus we have 165, and then we will get this as 475, and from this we will get average length as 237.5 millimeters, and substituting this value of average length we are going to get, so we have this as L1 and we have this as L2. So these are wrong, 475, and this also we have 475. So 237.5 we have over here. And then substituting all these values in this equation, we will get value of beta 1.26. And then we are going to substitute this value in this equation. And from this we are going to get this value of TDN, which will be 507.45 kilonewton. And that is again, this value is also greater than, we have given that value, that is 375. So this is again greater than 375. And minimum of 2 we have to consider tensile strength, which is 397.73 kilonewton, greater than 375 kilonewton, and that is safe. So we have to go with the problems of welded connection in this fashion. So go only for two, that is yielding of gross section and rupture at critical section. Now in some books, this LC that is given as L1 plus L2, and that will be 475. In some book, it is shown as means you have to go total length. We have calculated 471.49. So in some book, they have taken value of LC as 475. In some cases, it is given larger value L1 310. Now, which we have to consider actually. So, if you will see, we have this as denominator. So, denominator, if we have minimum value, then we are going to get this value as maximum, and then beta we are going to get lesser one, and automatically my strength will be reduced. So, LC actually we have to go minimum. So if LC is minimum, then my value of beta is also minimum. And if beta is minimum, then my strength is also minimum. And we have to always go for design strength as minimum value. And likewise, we have to consider, so we have greater than 375 kilonewton and therefore safe. So this is all about your problem which relates with your welded connection. So we will stop here only. Thank you.